I am extremely eager to use my new upgraded Fepo vacuum on my carpet. So first we're going to vacuum. And I'm really about to vacuum first just to see what's left behind after I vacuum, okay? So let's go. Gotta hold this shit down. Stay lifted. Oh, the carpet getting real dirty too. Just stay in it. Up. Okay. Shit, I gotta do. Alright, a little run on the edge. That's it. The cord, by the way, is extremely long. I love that. To get all of this. Alright, let's do it. I had a little dust mite in there yesterday. Let me go empty this first. Alrighty, let's go. By the way, this has 2 speeds. So you turn this baby on. I'm gonna go high. Alright, let's talk about it. Oh, this is what I got after I vacuumed. Still had a little residue, some stuff left back. This is exactly what I got. Add it to cart. Make sure you add it to cart.